Hey everybody, how are you today? It's Jean. I wish you safe and healthy wherever you are in the world today. I thought I'd pop in and talk a little bit about sensory grounding for quick relief. It's kind of like mental health smelling salts. But specifically, I'm talking about making a DIY resilience bag. It's collecting everyday items to help you redirect your attention as quickly as possible back to calm. Because calm first, then everything else. A resilience bag is sensory focused. What you do is you gather everyday objects that help to redirect your amygdala, that most primitive part of your brain, to people, places, experiences, and events, concepts that have positive memories for you personally. When you do this, you can get back on track faster than just about anything that I know in times of high stress or challenge. But look, also, you can use your resilience bag to just increase your happiness every day. Why not? I use this really successfully. My clients use this, and you can use it too. Let's get started. The first step in building a resilience bag is choosing the right bag to put stuff in. I like to use something a little bit flexible in colors that I really enjoy. I love this bag. You know, it feels good to the touch, and honestly, sometimes I use it as a cool hat. All right, I like it because also it's flexible so that I have more ability to put a wide number of objects in that are gonna help me get back to calm more quickly. So once you've chosen your bag, then start to look around your environment for things that you can see, smell, touch, taste, and feel that immediately make you feel more joyful or happy. Here's a couple of items I like to put in my bag. Liquid sunshine from sage is one of my favorite scents, but you could easily pick up something like sage or basil, anything that evokes an immediate sense of well-being. Yep, that always does it for me. I like this heartstone. I can't remember where I picked it up, but I just love how it feels when I rub it. It reminds me of the beach and places that I've been. So I'm going to put that in my resilience bag. Humorous items are also a great idea for your resilience bag. I love this rock concert from my youth. Yes, that dates me, but it's okay. The little funny faces just always put a smile on my face. But in addition, I really like the texture. Remember to include anything that engages your brain positively, like this colorful bunch of blocks that you can move around. It engages your brain in other ways as well. Or items that help you to perceive your environment differently, get a new perspective, like this kaleidoscope. You literally just look through it and it takes your environment and makes it into something that looks like a kaleidoscope. Virtually anything that moves your attention in a positive direction will help. A resilience bag works great when you're experiencing intense emotions and need to get back on track more quickly. What you're experiencing in those moments is a state of fight, flight, or freeze, and it means that you can't think as well about what to do. So it's always a great idea to include things like a list of people to call or a list of medications, a reminder, hey, take a natural supplement like theanine to calm down if you're having a panic attack, or even affirmations, sayings that immediately help you to remember that emotions pass and everything is okay. So if you'd like more information about a resilience bag, how it's used, how to put it together, I'll put a link in the description so you can go to my website and find it right away. Hey, I hope you got a lot of great information out of this video today and that it helps you to get and stay calm more quickly. If you liked this video, I hope you'll like, subscribe, and come back for more. I'll be posting many more tips to come. You stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you real soon.